Have you ever wanted to quickly and easily control the volume on your iPhone without pressing the physical buttons? In this video, I'll show you how to add a virtual button for volume up and down directly on your screen using AssistiveTouch. This way, volume control becomes fast, convenient, and always accessible. Perfect for anyone who wants a simpler and quicker way to adjust the sound. So, to start, find and open the settings on your phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit, find the Accessibility section, and tap on it. When you're in Accessibility, scroll down and in the Physical and Motor section, find the Touch option and tap on it. Now, at the top of this page, you'll see the AssistiveTouch section. Tap on it. Once you've done that, you'll see a variety of options here. The first thing you need to do is toggle the AssistiveTouch switch on. Immediately after that, a small floating button will appear on your screen, which you can freely move to either the left or right side of the screen. On this page, in the Custom Actions section, you can choose how the volume button will respond, whether the action is performed with a single tap, double tap, or long press. For example, you can set a single tap to increase the volume, a double tap to decrease it, and a long press to perform another volume-related function. This way, you'll have a fully customized volume control button directly on your screen without using physical buttons. I'll choose the single tap option for increasing the volume. Once you've selected your desired option for the button, you'll see a list of available actions that the button can perform. Here, find the function for volume up or volume down, depending on which action you want the button to perform. I'll choose volume up. After selecting it, go back one step and choose between double tap and long press for the second action. If you first set the button for volume up, here you can now set volume down, or vice versa. I'll choose double tap for decreasing the volume. Once you've selected it, find the function volume down or volume up in the list of available actions and tap on it. In my case, I choose volume down. Once that's done, you can now try out your new button. Simply tap it to increase the volume, or double tap it if you've set it for decreasing. This way, you'll immediately see how it works. And that's everything for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.